I will never look at my smartphone the same way after learning this. Are you ready to see how old gears and steam have dialed us into the digital age? Imagine living in a world where most goods are made by hand. Suddenly, machines come along and boom, everything changes. This is the 18th century and we're talking about the Industrial Revolution. Here's an easy way to picture it. Think of the Industrial Revolution as the world's biggest upgrade, like going from a bicycle to a rocket. It didn't just happen in one place, but it started with steam power in Britain. This new power meant factories could operate anywhere, not just next to rushing rivers. Now these factories pumped out products faster than ever, which sounds great, right? But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Cities became crowded and the air got dirty. Yet this era also sparked some positives like better transportation and even the first steps towards modern democracy. So, next time you download an app in seconds or order something from halfway across the world, remember the Industrial Revolution. It set the stage for our fast-paced, connected world today.